In this question, we have a circle whose center is at point O, and there is a line, let us name it as L, and this line is tangent at point T to this circle. Also, this angle is given as 33 degree, and we have to find the value of this angle x. This is a very simple question. In order to find the value of x, first we will do one construction here. We will join O and T. So this angle will be 90 degree. Why? Because there is a theorem that if this circle has center at this point and a tangent is drawn to it, this is the point of contact. If we draw a line segment joining these 2 points, then they are perpendicular to each other. So you see, O is the center, T is the point of contact. So if we draw a line segment, then it will be perpendicular to the tangent. Now let us focus on this triangle OQT. Let me draw it outside. So this point is O, this is Q, this is T. This angle is given as 33 degree. Now we know that O is the center of the circle, so OQ will be the radius and OT will also be the radius. So they are equal in length. Hence this triangle OQT will be an isosceles triangle. Thus this angle OTQ will also be 33 degrees. So let us write it here. This is 33 degrees. Now we have already found that this angle is 90 degree. That means 33 degrees plus x will be equal to 90 degree. So 33 degree plus x equals 90 degree. So x will be 90 minus 33 degrees, which is equal to 57 degrees. So the measure of this unknown angle x will be equal to 57 degrees. If you like this video, share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel.